Good day, everyone. Welcome again to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how you can convert a text document to a document. For instance, you have a pictures like this that somebody sent to you, and you want to convert it to a document. Let me show you a sample of what I'm talking about. I have some documents here that I download on my phone, and I have to type it out. So this is the Yoruba language. I have many other documents in different language. Now this is the document that I have to type. Somebody send it to me, and I have to type it. Especially this one, this thing now is Dutch, and I have to retype it. Okay. So when I was surfing around the internet, I saw an AI that can easily generate this thing for me without me typing anything. Just for me to do a copy and paste and put it on Word document. So let's dive into the study. You are coming to this tutorial for the first time. You are checking my YouTube channel for the first time. Make sure you subscribe. Name of the AI that we're going to use is called uh, imagegocr.com. Imagegocr.com. So what we have to do is to submit your document here. This is the website. You don't need to register. All you need is just to go to imagegocr.com and upload your document. You don't need to register. So now this is my YouTube channel. If you are checking for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Internet is to be slow down. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more of the video that I am going to be uploading on this particular channel. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more updates after I update channel. And now this is Imago. This is Imago CRO. This Imago CRO. This is where you are going to upload your document. I have a picture document. Let's say the scan document. You upload this here. This AI is going to extract all the documents for you, and all you have to do is to copy it and edit it to your Word document. Within a second, you are done. You have 10 pages, you just upload, be uploading them. The thing will be the AI is going to be editing it for you. You don't need to be retyping. So all I have to do now is to bring the document here. I'll just drag it and bring it here. Let's see the magic now. I have bring it here now. Don't forget this document is not English language. This document is another language. So this is to tell you that this AI can easily translate another language for you. I'll copy any type of language and extract it for you. This is the Yoruba language. I'm going to do it now. I will just click on submit. Uh, let's wait. Magic, just take a seconds and we see the magic. Wow, wow, wow. So this is it now. It has translated everything for me. You can download it as a Word document. You can share it. You can copy it. You can download it as CSV file. You can just click on download and you can see it now. Your document will download and you'll be able to open it a Word document. You can see it now. You can easily open it in a Word document and it will open. So I love this AI. So if you are a student or if you're an individual, you want to learn how to easily retype a document, you don't need to bother yourself anymore. This I have tested it many times and I see that this AI is working perfectly and it gives you accurate results. It gives you accurate results which you can use. You can easily convert PDF to Word. Can convert PDF to Word, it can translate, it can convert PNG image to Word. So once you scan your images, you can easily convert it to Word. Let's open the document. Wow, you can see the document. This is the document that this AI just edited from us. So all we have to do is just to edit your document and you are done with this thing. You can see it now. You just carry your document to Word, edit it, and that is all. Instead of retyping all this document, this AI have already generated all the text, everything in this scan picture for us. Now let's try another language. This is the Yoruba language. Let me try English now and see how it will work. You see the magic of this AI. I will upload another document which is English. I'll just drag it here. Now this is English. I'll just click on submit and we see the magic of this AI. I will translate this thing for us within a second and we are going to have our document. While it has translated for us, all you have to do again is to download it or copy it. So just download. If you are using your mobile phone, you can download it, open it here, download WPS and use it to open it, edit your document. You can submit it if you are a student. You can go and print it out if you are using it for document, office use or any document. Just you don't need to bother yourself anymore. Just copy the document from here with this AI. Cross check it. Don't forget this is AI. You have to cross check it. Read out through your document and check it out. So like this one that is Yoruba now, I have to check it, just check some if there's any mistake there. This is AI, this is not human being. We still have to check it out and check if there's any mistake on this AI. But I tell you that this AI give up to 90% of what is on this picture. So you just have to check it out and re-edit it. Like it didn't bold this one. This is not bold. You have to make it bold. For instance, now when I put this one in center, the AI didn't put it in the center. You put it in the center and you make it bold to look like the other one before you submit it. See it now, make it bold. Sorry. Yeah, you make it bold, all those things, all your editing of your work that is bold in the pictures, just a little bit edit instead of retyping this one. So guys, make sure you stay tuned to this channel, and the next tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can use this thing to make money online in 2020. So if you want me to drop a tutorial on how you can use this to make money online in 2024, make sure you drop your comment. I want to make money with this AI. Let me know so I will prepare a fantastic tutorial on how you can use this one to generate income as a student, as an individual. You can use it to work in your office. Are you a receptionist? Are you a secretary that used to type a document, a bunch of documents in the office every time? This AI will really help you out. Another thing about this AI that this AI can translate. For instance, this is English. Now I click on translate. Which language? Let me say I want to translate to language. Let me translate to love Hebrew. Hebrew. Let me translate to Hebrew. Let's see translate. Wow, this is Hebrew language. This AI have already translated this into Hebrew language. You know able to read it. A theological student. I learned Hebrew in my study in school, and I can be able to glance through this Hebrew language. So you can easily translate to any language of your choice that you have. This Hausa, all language is in this place. You can translate to Igbo language, any other language. You can see. Let me check for Igbo language. For those of us that are in Nigeria, let me check. Yeah, Igbo. This. Wow, it's there. So you can see it now. Wow. So it has translated. Though me, I can't read this language, but it has translated. So I'm going to be putting